Okay na.
Oh. Good job, good job.
Okay, first and foremost, mag-thank you good news sa ato ang people from the RHU for providing us an ambulance for today. And of course, sila na po na to ang simple as posibleng medic for this event po. Thank you so much, headed by si Sir Rom. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, sa atong sponsor sa atong kapipan, si Ma'am Idamel Chanti Oligario Capiris. A lot of applause, please. Okay, wala pa na nato talang runners na makompleto din and we'll start our program.
Ha? Olive. For a while, for a while.
I'm gonna cry. So couple.